Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is a computer cluster. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new to my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a computer cluster? Multiple computing nodes or hosts that work together to support an application or middleware such as database. A cluster is a group of interconnected computers or hosts that work together to support applications and middleware, example databases. In a cluster, each computer is referred to as a node, unlike RAID computers where each node performs a different task. Computer clusters assign the same task to each nodes. Nodes in a cluster are usually connected to each other through high-speed local area networks. Each node runs its own instance of an operating system. A computer cluster may range from a simple two-node system connecting two personal computers to a supercomputer with a cluster architecture. Computer clusters are often used for cost-effective high-performance computing and high availability. If a single component fails in a computer cluster, the other nodes continue to provide uninterrupted processing. A computer cluster can provide faster processing speed, larger storage capacity, better data integrity, greater reliability, and wider availability of resources. Computer clusters are usually dedicated to specific functions such as load balancing, high availability, high performance, or large-scale processing. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is computer cluster is all about. I hope that you have learned something new. Thank you so much for your support in watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.